Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not showing contact name. If WhatsApp is not showing contact names, it can be frustrating. You should hear some steps you can try to take and fix it. Refresh the WhatsApp contact, open your WhatsApp, go to the chat tab and pull down on the screen to refresh your contact list. This can sometimes force WhatsApp to resync and display contact names correctly. Or you could also press the WhatsApp app like this. Go to the app information and go to the permissions. Ensure that the WhatsApp has permission to access your contacts right over here. You could see, or if it's not, then you can simply go to the not allowed option and there will be an contact showing you. Select that. You could also try updating your WhatsApp. Go back, open Play Store and look out for the WhatsApp app and tap here and simply update if there's an option showing you update, and make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp app installed in the Google Play Store. Or you could also try restarting your device if none of this works. Sometimes a simple restart of your phone can resolve temporary glitches with apps like WhatsApp. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix the issue on WhatsApp not showing contact name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming